You look beautiful. Do some more spins. I like the spins too. Those are nice, fabulous, beautiful. Sure. Can you sing while you dance?
Yeah.
That's your favorite?
Can I take the necklace off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's kind of tangled. Come here. I'll help you. Oh wait. Turn around. Okay. Can it just be part of your tutu?
Mm-hmm.
There. Good. Dance. Yay. That's some good dancing. Are you doing ballet dancing or are you doing more like modern dancing?
Modern dancing.
It looks like it. Are you gonna sing two more?
Can I take this off?
Yeah.
Okay. My dancing is.
What are you saying?
Did you just say you invented a new move?
This looks more like interpretive dance to me.
When I'm dancing with this, I dance.
Huh?
Two mover.
Oh.